All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the arms on this drone. First, you have to figure out where the top is. And if you look at the front, you're going to see the camera is on the bottom, and this is the top of the drone. The battery goes back here. We don't have it plugged in yet. But what you want to do is you want to open up the bottom arms first, okay? So you're going to go to the bottom, and you're going to slide that out. Once you've done that, you want to move the propellers out of the way, and then you're going to take your top arm, and you're going to slide that out, all right? Same thing on the other side. You're going to go with the bottom first, move these out of the way, and then keep these oriented this way, and then slide that out. And now you've got all of your arms out on your drone, all right? You see that? Okay, now to close them, you're going to do the exact opposite. You're going to start with the top arm, then you're going to do the bottom. Okay, top arm first on closing, then bottom. And you got to make sure that you don't smush your propellers. And bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go to store it. So that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this drone. Peace out.